So about 10 days ago, Vijay was sworn in as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, and what we are now getting to know that the expansion of his cabinet is expected to take place. Now, what was being said, interestingly, when it comes to other parties who seems to be backing Vijay, the VCK, the IUML, however, are staying out of the expansion. Ally entry is likely when we speak of this round two, despite TVK assurance on AIADMK rebels. Allies like VCK, IUML have been holding back for today. What is now being learned through sources that out of the cabinet race, but only seems to be delaying as far as the Congress party is expected to get 2 cabinet berths. So ahead of Vijay's cabinet expansion, these are the big details that are now emerging. When it comes to the likely shaping of his cabinet, his ministries, and top sources say that VCK and IUML are likely to stay out of today's expansion, despite the ongoing alliance discussions, and sources say that TVK has assured allies that the rebel elements will not be accommodated within the cabinet. However, despite the assurance, some alliance partners are choosing to hold back for now. But as far as the Congress is concerned, with 5 of the MLAs who have joined ranks as far as supporting the TVK is expected now to get at least 2 cabinet berths in expansion, while a few TVK MLAs are also likely to take oath as ministers. Now, sources have been saying that the ally entry into the cabinet is only being delayed, and it is something which has not been ruled out, with another round of expansion that is likely in the near future. So despite TVK's assurance, what we are getting to know as far as this cabinet formation is now taking place, a majority of the important portfolios is something which Vijay himself has kept. But when we speak of the cabinet expansion, now it remains to be seen what are the possible reasons when it comes to the IUML and the VCK seems to be taking up, because now it is being said that they will not be a part for now, but not ruling out when it comes to in the near future if they are going to be part of Vijay's cabinet. So a certain delay, but on part of the Congress party, it is being said that 2 of them are likely to get cabinet berths. And this is the development that we are getting to know. When it comes to TVK also junking the AIADK cabinet buzz. And let's connect with Dharani on this. So Dharani, it seems to be an open invitation to VCK, to IUML, to be a part of Tamil Nadu cabinet, but they seem to be on a position where they are unlikely to be a part of Vijay's government.
VCK and IUML, they seem to be willing to be part of the TVK cabinet, but just not immediately. They will not be part of today's expansion, is what sources tell us, because today around 11 a.m. the IUML has called for a meeting of its functionaries and office bearers, and in that meeting they will hold a discussion with their party functionaries and office bearers, and at the end of the meeting they will announce their decision whether as to whether they want to be a part of a TVK cabinet or not. But sources highly indicate us that IUML is more than willing to be part of the TVK cabinet, but they will not be just part of today's expansion. The VCK and the IUML will join the TVK government in the later expansion, is what sources tell us. In fact, yesterday when we tried speaking to 2 top sources from the VCK, they also expressed similar sentiments in which they said that they would like to be part of the TVK government. In fact, they are okay with having a cabinet berth, but they will not be part of today's expansion. They will be just part of the next expansion, is what the VCK sources have also told at times at this point in time. So they have not completely eliminated the possibility of being part of the cabinet. They are just postponing the induction into the cabinet, is what we can learn at this point in time.
All right. So that seems to be a development that is now coming in from Tamil Nadu as far as his cabinet expansion is concerned, because Tamil Nadu will be now witnessing its first multi-party ministry with at least over 20 ministers, it is being said, according to reports, will be inducted into Chief Minister C. Joseph Vijay's cabinet at the swearing-in ceremony that is expected to happen, while multiple of them and majority of them will be from the TVK. 2 of them are likely from the Congress. Meanwhile, what is being said as far as the IUML and the VCK, their leaders would be inducted later. Now, on the other hand, 2 of the Congress MLAs who are expected to officially join Vijay's cabinet, marking the party's return to the state government after nearly 59 years. Meanwhile, Congress General Secretary K.C. Venugopal has confirmed that Rajesh Kumar and P. Vishwanathan will be taking oath as ministers in the Vijay-led TVK government in Tamil Nadu. So when we talk about, especially when it comes to these two leaders there, because it is after a significant amount of time that we are looking as far as the Congress party, which has been a part of the DMK alliance before, but never had any share when it comes to power and governing the state of Tamil Nadu. So who are we looking at as far as Congress MLA Rajesh Kumar? You know, he's said to be a prominent face in Tamil Nadu Congress. He's known for his strong grassroots connection as well, and he has raised public welfare and infrastructure issues and is also seen as a key organizational leader within the party. Now, if we talk about the other MLA, there are 5 of them as far as the Congress party's, when it comes to strength is concerned. We're looking at P. Vishwanathan as well. He's a senior Congress leader coming in from Tamil Nadu. He was said to be active in its constituency level politics as well and focuses on issues like social justice and welfare. That is expected to strengthen the Congress coalition government when it comes to Vijay. So this is a coalition government now that has the era which is now begun in Tamil Nadu, and this seems to be the very point. On the other hand, what we are now looking at, because this is the first multi-party ministry with over 20 ministers likely to be inducted as far as in C. Joseph Vijay's cabinet today. In the meantime, let's shift focus